In a world where we're constantly told that more money equals more happiness, it's easy to feel like true joy is only available to the rich. But is that really the case? Number 1. Redefining what happiness really means. Before we can be happy without being rich, we need to understand what happiness actually is. Society often equates happiness with material success, but research suggests that this is a misleading assumption. Happiness is not just about luxury, wealth, or being able to buy whatever you want. It's about emotional well-being, feeling at peace with yourself, and waking up each day with a sense of joy and purpose. Number 2, focus on gratitude, not wealth. One of the fastest ways to feel happier without needing more money is to practice gratitude. Studies have shown that people who consistently express gratitude experience higher levels of life satisfaction, better mental health, and even improved physical well-being. A new phone or expensive designer clothes might give you a short-term dopamine rush, but those feelings fade quickly. On the other hand, experiences like traveling to a new place, having deep conversations with loved ones, or trying a new activity create lasting memories and bring greater fulfillment. Having deep connections with family, friends, and loved ones provides emotional support, a sense of belonging, and reduces stress. On the flip side, loneliness and isolation have been linked to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and even physical health issues. Your purpose doesn't have to be tied to a high-paying career or public recognition. It could be as simple as helping others, expressing creativity, or making a positive impact in your community. Ask yourself what excites you, what makes you feel alive, and what impact you want to make in the world. A walk in nature, a good conversation, a home-cooked meal, or a great book can bring deep contentment. The smell of fresh flowers, the warmth of sunlight on your skin, or a quiet moment of reflection can be just as rewarding as a luxury vacation. Living within your means making smart financial choices that align with your income and long-term goals. Avoid unnecessary debt, save for the future, and create a financial plan that gives you peace of mind rather than stress. A growth mindset means seeing challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Instead of feeling stuck or discouraged when facing difficulties, people with a growth mindset believe they can improve their abilities through effort and learning. They see failures as lessons rather than personal shortcomings. Giving doesn't always mean donating large sums of money. You can give your time, kindness, energy, or skills. Volunteering, mentoring someone, or simply helping a friend in need can create a deep sense of fulfillment. Regular exercise releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which help reduce stress and improve mood. Good nutrition and adequate sleep also play critical roles in emotional stability and energy levels. Taking care of your body doesn't require an expensive gym membership or high-end supplements. Simply walking, stretching, and eating fresh whole foods can have a profound effect on how you feel. When you constantly compare yourself to others, you shift your focus away from what's good in your own life. The truth is, people only share the best parts of their lives online, hiding their struggles and insecurities. Comparing yourself to a filtered version of reality will only create unnecessary stress and dissatisfaction. A morning routine that includes exercise, reading, or quiet reflection can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, or having a regular wind-down routine at night can create a sense of balance and well-being. Be intentional about who you allow into your life. Seek out relationships that encourage you, motivate you, and bring out the best in you. Engage with content that makes you feel good. Listen to uplifting podcasts, read inspiring books, and follow people who spread positivity rather than negativity. There will always be another goal to chase, another level to reach, another improvement to make. If you tie your happiness to external achievements, you'll always feel like you're missing something. Instead, start focusing on the present moment. Appreciate the journey rather than just the destination. happiness isn't about how much money you have. It's about how you live. Instead of chasing wealth, focus on cultivating gratitude, building meaningful relationships, finding purpose, and enjoying the simple joys in life. If you found this video helpful, like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more personal growth content, and share this with someone who needs a reminder that happiness isn't about wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.